Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new income to your CashControl account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the dashboard icon down below, which is the first option, and then click on the plus icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on income, which is indicated by a plus icon. Then to the first section, type in the amount of your income, then click on the selected currency if you want to change it. Here you can find a vast variety of options if you scroll down, but if it's easier for you, you can also type it in into the search bar at the top. After that, select the relevant date. Then your account, which is set to wallet now. You can also select the category. You can add a description to it. Then add notes or tags. And you can also attach a file to it as an attachment. So you can select from your files. Tap on the relevant one, and if you are done with selecting and adding all these data and information about your income, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So you are going to be able to see your income here in the dashboard and at the list section as well. If you slide to the right side of the screen, you can check out your incomes here at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.